Hola, buenos días chicos y chicas. Feliz miércoles de música. Hoy es el 30 de septiembre de 2020. Vamos a escuchar una canción en español hoy y ustedes van a escribir el resumen de capítulo 7 en el cuaderno. So today you're going to listen to the song in Spanish and then you're going to write chapter 7 summary in your notebooks. We're going to do it just a little bit differently than normal. Primero, tenemos una canción que se llama Nadie. Nadie significa no one. Y es del grupo que se llama Prima J. So the name of this singing duo is called Prima J. Prima means cousin, female cousin, and the girls are both named Jessica and I forget the other girl's name, but they're cousins and both of their names start with a J. Necesitan escuchar la canción y piensa en lo que comprendas. I just want you to listen to the song and think about what you understand from the lyrics. It is a little bit of Spanglish. It is based off of the Alicia Keys song, No One, but it's not her singing, obviously. So there's two options if you want to watch one or the other or both. This is the lyric video, so you can read the lyrics as you listen, and the music video itself just for your entertainment. Okay, entonces en Piratas, yesterday we wrote, or the day before, and some of you yesterday, because you hadn't done it the day before, wrote chapter 7 vocab in your notebooks. Los verbos agarrar, to grab, pega, here she hits, besar, to kiss, está atrapado, he or she is trapped, and está inconsciente, is unconscious. I think originally I had just called them all verbs because the bottom ones are really verb phrases, verb expressions. Either way, it doesn't matter, as long as you have these written in your notebook. Also, make sure that your comprehension questions are done for chapter 7 as well. Those would be in English from the other day. And then capítulo 7, El Robo Grande, we read on our own over the past couple of days, whichever day you're on. So now, our chapter 7 summary. Resumen en español. After you read the story, you're going to copy the vocab, complete the comprehension questions. We just talked about that. But now we're going to start doing summaries in Spanish a little bit different. You're going to be writing a short summary in Spanish using the sentences in English on the next slide as a guide. Our goal is always to write what happens at the beginning, middle, and end of the chapter and incorporate all the vocab from the chapter in the summary. So, unfortunately, if you use Google Translate, you might wind up with alternative words not on your vocab list. So you need to write the summary based on what you read and learned from the book, and you can use the book to help if needed, okay? So you're going to translate this summary to Spanish. Again, you can use the chapter, like skim through the chapter to find the sentences that you need. Do not use Google Translate because it will come up with different phrases and I will be able to tell and you will not get your credit. So Henry Morgan is trapped. That's a vocab phrase, is trapped. Antonio laughs. Laughs is an old vocab phrase from a few chapters ago. Santiago points a gun at the head of Antonio. Points is also a vocab word recently. Antonio is trapped and Henry laughs. Henry wants to know, that's a vocab phrase or word, where the secret map is. You might have to change the end of the verb because you learned it as they know. Now we need to use to know. Santiago grabs Antonio's gun, grabs, that's one of our new vocab words, and hits Antonio, another vocab word, on the head with the gun. Antonio is unconscious, a new phrase, on the floor. Floor was a vocab word. Henry is frustrated. Santiago is frustrated too. Is frustrated was a vocab phrase. Santiago throws the gun to the floor. It breaks apart. It breaks was a vocab phrase. Henry sees the map on the floor. Henry is happy and laughs. He wants to kiss Santiago, but the pirates are watching them. And you can use the phrase los están mirando to say are watching them. So that one's kind of done for you. So you need to put this in your notebook underneath chapter 7 vocab and comprehension questions. So we will go over this mañana. If you have any questions, send me an email, escríbeme, and if not, buena suerte, and hasta mañana.